In this episode, I'm going to tell you how you can enroll in a professional bartending program completely free. Hey, how you doing? Welcome to another edition of Making You a Bartending Pro. My name's Jason. So as you may know, I'm the creator and founder of this Bartending Pro YouTube channel and also the bartendingblueprint.com website. Now that website basically takes a lot of the material that's on this YouTube channel and packages it and puts it together in a logical sequence that takes you from starting at absolutely knowing nothing to being able to go out and find yourself a job as a working bartender. Now, traditionally I've charged anywhere from like monthly fees to one-time fees, but because of everything that's been happening in the world with the coronavirus and especially with how hard the service industry and bartenders have been hit, I've decided that I want to give this program away for free. All you got to do is go to www.bartendingblueprint.com, or more directly, you can go to bartendingblueprint.com/enroll and get started now. No strings attached. I don't need your name. I don't need your email. This is just a way for me to give back to the community that has been a part of my life for so long. Now, this just went into effect on the website at the very end of March, and nationwide, a lot of the people in the industry that were getting laid off or fired happened during the month of March. So if you happen to come in and enroll on the Bartending Blueprint program during the month of March and you would like a refund, just send me an email to support@bartendingblueprint.com and I'll get you taken care of. Then on a side note, I rebuilt the bar. This is the Bartending Pro Bar 5.0. So stay tuned for new videos coming out soon on all kinds of topics, from drink recipes, but also a lot of people skill stuff. Because really the trick to bartending is not how many drinks you know, it's how well you're able to serve the customers that are in front of you. So if you're interested in becoming a working bartender, make sure to poke around on all the videos here or go to the bartendingblueprint.com website and dig in. All right, that's it for this one. My name is Jason. This is Making You a Bartending Pro. I'll see you again soon. Cheers.